At $70 per barrel, most oil companies print money. Many are profitable all the way down to a break-even of about $35 to $40 per barrel. Our administration has been releasing our strategic petroleum reserves in order to lower the cost of our gas at the pumps. It's down to the lowest levels since 1984. In this video, we discuss an option trade that we can put on when oil gets down to the $70 to $75 per barrel range. $70 is the level that Biden said he would start buying back and refilling the SPR.
Hey guys, Darren here. Thanks for joining. We talk about action steps you can take today to increase profits and reduce risk in your portfolio. Real quick, before we get started, check out and download the free options workshop in the link below.
It talks about the two main reasons why options can be less risky and more profitable than just buying stocks alone. It goes into detail about profiting in both directions and picking your win percentage, which can give you a huge advantage over buying stocks alone. Also, please hit the like and subscribe button below right now. It helps getting the video out to more people. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial planner and I'm not recommending trades. Please do your own research and talk with your financial planner when making trades. If you're new or learning options, I recommend you start small. I look at my options trading account separately as a business in itself. Let's be honest, guys. Fossil fuels supply 85% of the world's energy, and it's not going to change significantly in the next decade. It's very much a political issue along with things like climate change. Until the next election in 2024 and a possible change in the administration, it's very likely that we will stay energy dependent and oil prices will remain high. When the crude oil futures get in the $70 to $75 per barrel range, I'm going to be long crude and buying hand over fist until the next election. So how do we trade crude oil without risking too much? Let's look at how we can do that trading options in the crude oil futures. We'll go to the Tastyworks trade platform, I'll put the link below, and punch in /CL in the upper left. We go to the March 16th option chain since it's closest to 45 days to expiration. We then go to the table mode on the trade platform and look to sell the 70 put by clicking on the bid and buy the 69 put by clicking on the ask. I like to sell a put vertical like this for a couple of reasons. Futures are a big product and I only want to use around $1,000 in buying power. I also want to limit my loss if there is a big move against me. The vertical provides that protection. We see that we are collecting $290 and risking $710, which is the max loss. Let's switch to the curve mode by clicking on curve. You can see the profit zone in green. As long as we stay above the $70 short put at expiration, we keep the $290 we collect up front when we place the trade. With the current price at $74.85, we can move down a full 7% in the next 38 days, which is a big move, and still keep that profit. If we look at the chart trending back from 2002, this seems to be a pretty good point to get bullish. Now here we see the $290 that we collected on February 6th. Even though we are still 38 days to expiration, I will look to take this trade off and close it if it's profitable sooner. Alright, moving forward one day later, just as suspected, crude moved up to $77.19 and I was able to close the trade for a quick $80 profit. Not bad for one day. Sure, we could wait 38 days and try to keep the full $290, which would be great. However, there is the risk that it could move down. When I have a quick gain, I look to take it off and then wait for a pullback and again place the trade. I put it right back on. In other words, I rinse and repeat. Next time, if it gets back down to that level, I will likely place a $3 wide vertical since I'm pretty confident that the $70 is the floor. This would put the max profit at about $1,000 and max loss at about $3,000. So if we would have gone $3 wide on this last trade, instead of $80, we would have made 80 times 3 or $240 in just one day.
All right, guys, I put a link down below to the free options workshop. Be sure and grab that and hit the like and subscribe buttons for me. Let me know what you're doing in crude in the comments below. See you in the next one.